Guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be making these chocolate cupcakes for my baby cousin who was born yesterday, and I'm going to be surprising my aunt and uncle with these cupcakes to show how much we really love her. These are going to be chocolate cupcakes, so for this we will be needing 4 tablespoons of butter, 1 cup of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, half cup milk, 2.5 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1.5 cup of flour, 2 medium eggs, and this recipe is for 12 cupcakes, so I have my rubber molds here. If you have tin molds, you can use those as well. So I'm going to start by putting my butter in here. And I'm going to cream this. And I'm going to add in my powdered sugar whilst this is creaming. While this is creaming, I'm going to add in my vanilla essence and 1 egg. I'm going to add in my second egg as well. And now I'm going to add in our milk. I'm going to stop this and I'm going to add in our flour. So I'm going to put this half in first and I'm going to let this mix. Then I'm going to add in our rest. Of flour now. I've already sifted our flour so there are no lumps in it. So now I'm going to add in our baking soda and cocoa powder. And you can start to see that the batter has gone a little thick. I'm going to take 1 tablespoon and I'm going to just fill these into our molds. You want your batter to be halfway through your mold so that it can fluff up properly. I'm going to do these with the rest of my molds now, and I'll fill both of these pans and I'm going to be putting these inside the oven.
What you doing without me today, huh?
Making cupcakes.
Oh good. Chocolate?
Yeah. So I preheated the oven on 200 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to be putting our pans inside. I'm using a cloth so that I don't burn myself. So I'm just going to keep one and then keep the other. And I'm baking these for 20 minutes. And if they're still raw, I'm going to give them an extra 3 to 5 minutes. I'll see you in 20 minutes when the cupcakes are ready.
Bye.
Taken our cupcakes out of the oven and they have doubled in their size because first they were on half, the batter was half of the mold and now it has reached till the top. So right now these are very hot. I'm going to let these cool for 30 minutes, then I'm going to take these out. These have been cooling for a while and I've also put these in these paper molds. And I have made, with the rest of the batter that was left, I made this cake using a flower-shaped mold. And I have placed these this way. You can make 12 cupcakes and a small cake out of this. So that's plenty of batter for like
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Like 20 people.
12
like
cupcakes and 1 small.
Yeah, this is enough for like 15 to 20 people. And I'm gonna have this with my cousin. Yeah, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Please like, subscribe, and share. Bye.
Hello.
Oh, hi. So now I'm just gonna pipe her name on my cousin's name onto these cupcakes.
It's Mirha.
Yeah, so I'm using one cupcake per letter. And that's the last letter. So that's the name. Mirha. It's a beautiful name. So now that these are piped on, that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.